everyone, welcome back to our channel, Custom ROM Info. Today we're going to install the EvolutionX ROM on the Redmi Note 8 Pro. This ROM brings the latest Android 15 features along with smooth performance, advanced customizations, and much more. Follow the steps carefully, and you'll be up and running in no time. Let's get started. Features and performance. This ROM includes the following key features. Latest Android 15 for a cutting-edge experience. Performance optimization for smooth usage. Customization options like unlimited Google Photos and max FPS for gaming. Improved battery life, enhanced security, and a convenient gaming mode. Now you want to know the features. Let's proceed with the installation. Required files. To install EvolutionX ROM, you'll need the following files. EvolutionX ROM, link in the description. NIC gaps or mind the gaps, link in the description. TWRP or PBRP recovery, link in the description. Ensure your device has an unlocked bootloader and custom recovery installed. Now we have downloaded the required files. Installation steps. Note: make sure to back up all your data before proceeding with the installation. Step 1. Boot into recovery mode. First, power off your Redmi Note 8 Pro. Press and hold the power key and volume up key together. Release the buttons when the recovery logo appears on the screen. If the recommended N-recovery isn't installed, install it to avoid boot loop issues. To install recovery, click Install. Navigate where you have downloaded the recovery zip, usually in Downloads. Click the zip swipe right to confirm flash. After flashing is completed, now reboot into recovery. Step 2. Now flash EvolutionX ROM and gaps. Tap on the install and select the ROM. Swipe the slider to confirm. Wait for the installation complete. It might take some time. Now flash gaps. Hit back and select NIC gaps. Swipe to confirm flash. Now click on the wipe cache and allow swipe the slide. To confirm, now reboot to recovery again. Step 3. To format the data to avoid boot loop, click on the wipe. Select Format. Type yes, and once completed, tap OK. Step 4. Reboot your device. Once the data is formatted, tap on the Reboot in the recovery menu, select System to boot into EvolutionX ROM Android 15. First boot may take a while, so be patient. Before diving into the process, in our previous video, we successfully installed Project Infinity ROM. If you haven't checked it out yet, the link is in the description. Now, let's move forward with the installation of EvolutionX ROM. Including link, that's it for today's video. You've successfully installed EvolutionX ROM on your Redmi Note 8 Pro. Enjoy the latest Android 15 features and enhancements. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for updates on more custom ROM tutorials. See you in the next one.